What is up, all? And I'm out here with the Mavic Pro, as you see. Wow, says ready. Says ready to go. My voice is a little hoarse for some odd reason, but I wanted to bring this out before the remote ID kicked in because I wanted to see. Yeah, I wanted to see how it was gonna fare before all that nonsense started. Alrighty. Anyway, I'm at the new park, so we're gonna at least we're gonna check that out, right? So we're gonna spin it around this new park, see how things are. Obstacle avoidance disabled. Yeah, I know that. And take off. Let's see what we got for satellites here. 14. We get it away from the thing over here. Oh yeah, Mavic Pro. I just turned on the sport mode. Sport mode cautions. Yeah, okay. I got you. Wow. Well, anyway, so I wanted to go over here and see what the distances are on this park. So I'm going okay, it says 98 meters. Okay. All right, that's good. Now let me go to the settings and change that to Imperial. That's a post office right there, guys. Believe it or not, right there. See that little building? Yeah. This is called what? Westmoreland City. It has a very small little post office. And I think it's got 2 employees because there's two cars in the parking lot. And like I told you, there's never anybody at this park. Okay. All right. So we know we got like 300 feet to play with here. This Mavic Pro, man, is still a beast. It's still really nice, guys. Really nice. And the video still looks good. I mean, it doesn't look anything like the minis or anything like that, but I mean, it's not bad. Let me turn the sport mode off. Did you know I don't have the obstacle avoidance on? So it will hit me. It will hit me indeed. So let's try to turn that back on. See if it's still working. Oh yeah. It was getting a little close there, but I started to jump out of the way and then it pulled up. See? So it got within 5 feet. Great stuff, guys, great stuff. We're gonna turn that back off because I actually don't use that on any of my drones. I just like to try it out just to see if it still works. Wow, what a great bird, guys. Wow. Fantastic. All right, I just brought it out here to check it out, see if it's working. All right, let me cut the video. All right, let's land it up. Well, it did a little bit of wanting to take back off there, but you know, not the end of the world. I had to use my chin to pull down on the strap. These things, you're better off holding your hand out to do a hand landing like that, a hand catch. So yeah, I think that's your best bet on that deal. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.